How much potassium is in your fertilizer? Potassium is a vital nutrient for plant growth, flowering and fruiting. Have you noticed the number written on the packet of your fertilizer? It is in a 3-number format, number 1: number 2: number 3. The third number in this format denotes the percentage of potassium present in the fertilizer. For example, if it is 13:0:45, there is 45% potassium in the fertilizer. If it is 18:46:0, then there is no potassium in your fertilizer. Can you tell how much potassium would be there in 12:32 and 16 seconds composition? The first two numbers are percentages of nitrogen and phosphorus respectively. For example, there is 13% nitrogen and no phosphorus in 13:0:45 fertilizer. The sum of all the three numbers must not exceed 100. As total chemical percent cannot exceed 100%.